Okay. We're going to talk about the clean sweeps a little bit. Clean sweep is actually the air cylinder that is on these row cleaners. There's two different kinds of row cleaners that we can have on a 2000 series planter. These are the shark tooth from Yetter. You can also get a tine from Yetter. They serve two different purposes, kind of depending on your operation, your ground conditions, tillage practices, that kind of thing. The biggest thing with row cleaners is we don't want them to move dirt. We don't want these things to be digging a furrow in front of the row that's going to collect water or have any other issues with the seeding that's happening behind it. To do that with conventional tillage, I'm usually lifting these row cleaners up. About 30 psi is kind of where I start. In conventional tillage, in no-till, I'm usually somewhere around 20 psi. So it's a good place to start with these. Like I said, everybody's going to be a little bit different. We need to be looking at these as you're running in the field so that we make sure that we're not digging a furrow in front of the row units. A couple of things to kind of keep an eye on with these is the rubber bellows on the cylinder themselves will get tears in them. Then we collect dust there and it just wears out the cylinder. So we'll have problems with the compressor run times and where they may even get stuck where they won't move. I've also seen the attaching hardware come loose. Something else to keep an eye on. Outside of that, these have been a really great product for us. I don't have a lot of problems with them. Definitely need to work with your salesman, your AFS guy, your parts guy on what style of wheel that we need before we go to the field. But other than that, these have been a really solid product, something that personally I wouldn't want to run a planter without. Really just makes everything that's happening behind the row unit happen that much better.